can we create entity relationship diagram using just free software diagrams.net? The good news is, yes, we can. Simply start a new blank document like this one. Then you will need to add a special shapes. So let's click this blue button here on the left, plus more shapes. From here we can explore the whole list. But what we need today is entity relation. So click on that and don't forget to click on the checkbox as well to turn it on. After you click apply, you will see a new group on the left. We can open this up and all necessary elements are here. Now we can simply drag and drop what we need. So we got the basic tables, and then we simply need to connect them to plan the structure for a database. At the bottom, we got different cardinalities, so we can use that to connect them based on your specification. Then just pull the end and stick it to the key or to the whole table, depends on how you want to design it. And take a look. On the right side, we can still modify endings. So if you want to change that, you don't need to pull a new cardinality from the left menu to menu. You can simply click on the existing one and change that from here, from this arrowhead menu as well. If it's too small, you can make the line thicker, or you can make the end of the line or start of the line larger as well. Take a look now. I'm enhancing the size on this side. It's really huge now. The advantage of using diagrams.net or any other professional diagramming software is definitely that we can drag stuff around, and the line is sticky, so it will stay with your elements. Even you want to draw a regular line without cardinalities, you can do it as well. So just simply hover your mouse until you see the green color, and then you can pull the regular line out of it. We can do all of the modification I showed you before here, including changing the color of the line, adding the arrowheads like cardinalities, or just click it as none. And that's how we can design ER diagram using Draw.io. By the way, if you run out of space on your page, don't worry. Whenever you move outside that workspace, the program will automatically add a new page. Just avoid placing objects on this dash line. That's indicating the page break. Alright, I hope this short video was helpful. I will see you in the next one.